We will evaluate the expression. The square root of 54 cubed plus 72 cubed plus 90 cubed. Our goal is to simplify exactly step by step with no skip steps. Step 1. Find a common factor. Notice that 54, 72, and 90 are all multiples of 18. We can write 54 equals 18 times 3, 72 equals 18 times 4, and 90 equals 18 times 5. Step 2. Factor the expression. Rewrite each term using 18 times 3, 18 times 4, and 18 times 5. Use the power rule, open parenthesis. AB close parenthesis cubed equals a cubed times b cubed. That lets us factor out 18 cubed from every term. Step 3. Compute the sum of cubes. 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, and 5 cubed is 125. Adding them gives 216. 216 is 6 cubed, a perfect cube. Now substitute that result back. Inside the square root, we have 18 cubed times 6 cubed. Since a to the n times b to the n equals the product, ab to the n, this is the square root of open parenthesis 18 times 6 close parenthesis cubed. 18 times 6 is 108. The square root of 108 cubed equals 108 times the square root of 108. Simplify the radical. 108 equals 36 times 3. So the square root of 108 is 6 times the square root of 3. Multiply to get the exact final answer. 648 times the square root of 3. As a quick check, we can also give a decimal approximation. Since the square root of 3 is about 1.732, the value is about 1122.5. Summary. We factored out a common 18, collapsed the inside sum to 6 cubed, combined the cubes, and simplified the square root to get the exact answer, 648 times the square root of 3. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.